Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to delete search history in Google Chrome. First, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Now click History. Then click Open History page. Here, you will see your browsing and search history. If you want to delete a single search, select it from the left side. You can also select multiple items. After that, click Delete at the top right and confirm it. If you want to delete all search history, click Delete Browsing Data from the left side. Now choose the time range, for example, last 15 minutes, last hour, or all time if you want to remove everything. Then click Delete Data. That's it. Your Google Chrome search history has been deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.